Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, when you're going on your long journey, you have to have your thermos, with some tea. And this is what we have. We have a little fruits here. We don't know how the day going to work out, but we're leaving out right now. Can't know when I go on far journey and I have to leave out early, 6:30. So this is 6:30. So we are leaving out now. So catch you on the journey where I will provide you guys with a few clips. Your girl not leaving her out. Alright. So stick and stay. Just wash these strawberries and leave them to drain. So I'm going to just pack them right about now. Pack them out back into this little thing here. So Mr. Myers are packing them little stuff here in the bag. And this is our traveling bag. Hold everything. Oh, it sounds like something bust off.
Yeah. Bust my bag.
So yes, my people, we are on our way. So a day trip with me to St. Elizabeth, the food basket country, is it? Yep. What I just do? We see them, but I don't get them. There was a lot of goats. How they reach up there? So we are on the highway and the byway. So this highway takes us straight to what? Mandeville, is it, babes? Bike problem. Jamaican police always at work. Alright, people, I am on the highway to Mandeville, and when you not pass out your son, you can stop and get on a roast corn, on a roast yam. So I am here with the lady who you can get you want to tell them where you can get from your mommy?
We can get boiled corn.
See lovely corn them
Just
there.
preparing the corn. And you have roast yam, sweet potato, cooked saltfish, ackee and saltfish.
Alright.
So, the yam is in the fire roasting with the potato. So if you wish, you can go.
So I'm going down that part now, people, for sure, and see the lovely corns them. Alright, and this is Melrose Hill. On the leg of highway when you're going to Mandeville. So don't forget to stop and get your nice Jamaican roast corn, roast yam. So let me go show you the roast yam then, people. So this is the
roast yam. Turn it. Take 45 hours. We're ready. This is the sweet potato. About half an hour. This is the cooked saltfish.
Whoa. Lovely cooked saltfish,
and this
my
is
people.
the ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish. Whoa. Alright, my people. So don't forget to stop, and this is the second stall going to no, you would be coming back from Mandeville. So this is the second stall coming back from Mandeville. And people, so for me tell you know what time now, people? It's just 7 o'clock and everything ready. As you can see, them out here early. So no matter worry about, don't eat no breakfast. Just come right out here so you will get breakfast. Alright, so let me move along and show you guys some more. Our lovely yaman and sweet potato. This is Jamaica, my people.
Kevin, second shop.
Alright, so you hear that this is the man Kevin. Roast yam and roast sweet potato.
Roast saltfish.
Roast saltfish, anything at all. Check out Kevin, alright? So this is the man behind the roast yam and the roast sweet potato. Alright? So this is our next shop we stop, people. As you know, Jamaica, we are talented. And we have a lot of roast yam, roast sweet potato, saltfish, ackee. You know, we are known for our good, authentic Jamaican food. So this, I am here with this lady, this lovely lady. So she's going to tell you what she is selling.
My name is Carrie and I'm at shop 3. I'm selling roast yam, sweet potato, cook up saltfish, again saltfish, roast saltfish. See how I'm cutting up the season here to prepare the cook up saltfish and the again saltfish.
That's a lot of season.
With my tomatoes.
Right, lovely tomato too. Lovely tomato. And this is her. Whoa.
Fire.
People, the time early, no people.
And the yam in the fire and the potato.
My lord. What time will come out?
We come out from the hours like 5 o'clock or to 5.
Alright, and hear that, my people?
We prepare the food for the customers to get it.
Right. Alright. So my people, the leg of highway, when you are going Mandeville, this is where they are at. I think
if you're going to Kingston, we're on the highway also.
So if you are going to Kingston, they are on the highway.
Coming down.
And
if we're
going to Mandeville,
going up.
Right. Alright, and see the tomato them here, my people. Whole heap of tomato. You see that? This lady don't short a season, and this is what I love whenever time I'm doing my saltfish or ackee and saltfish. Oh, saltfish boil already, people. Don't know more than them have how much of this already done. Whoa, it's a lot of saltfish, people. Oh my, this is lovely. Oh, I don't know if you love Jamaica. So this is our roast saltfish, people.
Strip it and we wash it and then roast it.
Oh, so in a roast it.
The roast now.
Alright, we take one piece. Oh, so that is roast.
Yes, so it is washed and stripped and washed and roast already.
Alright people, so I am on the leg of highway and these are our Jamaican people and they are lovely people. I don't know, once you come to Jamaica, you have to stop out here. So once you go Mandeville, my people, you have to stop and get on a roast yam, on a roast corn, on a soup. They have all food, anything at all, Jamaican authentic food. Once you are going to Mandeville or you are coming from Mandeville, you can stop out here. Alright? Authentic Jamaican stuff, you can get it right out here. Your roast corn, your boiled soup, your roast saltfish, anything at all, my people. And trust me, we just buy some a while ago and let me tell you something. Oh my God. It is lovely, it is nice, it is sweet, it is authentic, and people no can't lose. You cannot, you're going to enjoy it. Me not ask you, me I tell you. Remember Jamaica this, you know? Remember Jamaica this. So anytime you know a pass, make sure you stop and support Jamaica. Alright? Alright, my people. So this is
This is all we prepare the food. This is a saltfish boiling, ackee already cooked, potato roasting, yam roasting, and then just now we're going to cut up the season to fry up the saltfish and fry up the ackee and have a complete meal. My name is Jackie.
And you're at what shop? You're the...
Okay, I am about number 8 stall, starting from the front to count number 8 coming down.
People are look a place. I will not say, but it is nice, people. It is very nice. Very clean, very nice.
We have the raw yam there.
And that's the yam.
And this is the potato.
That's the yam before it look after.
And this is the potato.
And that's the
potatoes.
Jamaican man.
Yeah.
The people on the office stop, you know. I want to tell me in the chat box. Because you know me do live every morning, live breakfast. I want to chat with me and tell me when you stop out here. So if you not enjoy it, because I not ask you if you not going to enjoy it, you know, I know you're not going to enjoy it.
Right.
You see our lovely Aki people? Lovely. And then I mash up. I so me love Aki. And she have her whole heap of earth season them for cut up people. So just come support Jamaica, man. When you come out here, support Jamaica.
This is the season.
Alright. And that's tomato. And you know it's Scotch bonnet.
Onion,
Ooh.
and pepper,
We can't leave out these people with big boy Scotch bonnet pepper. It spice up the food. It make the food nice. Ooh. So we have our bell pepper right here. And we have own. So people, I am still at Melrose Place, and me only telling you about the food, you know, but you know me not telling you the good part about it. They have a parking lot, so you don't have to worry. Don't worry about, oh, it is a highway, I can't stop because I don't want to park the rented vehicle or my vehicle for something to hit it or lick it or something. No, people, they have a parking lot. And they have a bathroom, and trust me, the bathroom is clean. No worry about bathroom. All you know have to think about is to come with the money, come eat and enjoy yourself. And you want to use the restroom? It is right here, my love. Right here. So this is where you, alright, let me show you the parking lot. So walk with me, my people. Take the journey with me. So this is the part where you used to come down after you park at the parking lot. Let me show you the parking lot. Nice place, my people. Clean place, clean bathroom. And you know Jamaican people friendly. We are friendly. We are friendly type of people. And you know once you buck up at Jamaica, your life never be the same, right? So I'm gonna take a journey with me. So this is the highway. As you can see, this is the highway, right? They have a parking lot. I did not know that they have a parking lot. The parking lot is all the way up here. Let me show you. But because I park on the road, so we park right over there. Because I didn't know that they have a parking lot. Coming from the shop, people. Alright. My lovely lady just called to me that there's a walkway. So you don't have to venture on the road. This is their lovely walkway. People, oh, Jamaica nice, so. I can't leave my country, no, I don't know. I can visit other country, but I can't leave my country. See the walkway here? Whoa. Concrete. And this is the Melrose. We're at the Melrose Place. So this is the walkway, my people. All the way down. Woo! So you don't have to get in contact with the road. So it's all the way down. Here it is. And if rain fall, no about rainfall, because people is concrete. See it here? See it here? Concrete, nice. So this walkway now, when you leave the highway, park at the parking lot, you use the walkway and you walk come all the way up. And this is it. This is it. So you make a left turn. So this is the left turn that you would make. And then now, when you make the left turn, there is our lovely people over here with the roast yam, the roast corn, the boiled soup. And if you want food, you will get food. Don't worry. Alright? This is Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamdong. Welcome to Dongayard. Yeah, so nice. When I say people, I beg you don't worry about a thing. What we say now? Because every little thing, people, the great thing about it, you have a parking lot. And that says a lot. Yeah, man. So this is the lovely parking lot to the Melrose shop, where I have been showing you guys where to get your roast yam and everything. This is where you park. This is the parking lot. So when you park here now, you don't have to go across the road, because remember it's a highway and highway is dangerous, right? This is the walkway leaving the parking lot. This is the walkway, right? So this is the walkway that you use to go all the way over to those shops that you get your lovely roast yam, roast corn, and everything that you want. Jamaican food. So see it here, my people. The road is busy, so you cannot go across the road. It is a highway. I think I love this. I think I love the fact that they have a walking lot that you can walk through and you don't have to venture into the road. That is wonderful. That is good, my people. So there it is. So don't worry about you going across the road and getting hit. No. It is more safer than that. So come and support the people and my people. Come and support the Melrose people when you're going to Mandeville or you're coming back from Mandeville. Alrighty. Beautiful walkway. So we are approaching Spur Tree Hill, my people.
There's a house right there. If you see that dilapidated house, smashed down house, that used to be a stop for truck that cannot go down the hill. So they move the house and carry it up there. So just run right off of the road and run right into it. A house used to be on here, so truck used to drop on the house. So
They have to move that one as well.
have to move it as well, right over there.
Oh.
Truck just drop down on it. Brake run hot. So now go down the deep corner because there's a very deep corner down there.
Spur Tree, welcome to Spur Tree Hill, my people. And this is a stop. You can get your jerk pork, your jerk chicken, something to eat right at Spur Tree Hill. It is called a rest stop, as my husband mentioned.
You're approaching the most famous corner right here. Right there looking at it's a pit for truck. They report. The brake run out and then just go right over.
Oh
Cannot
my.
take the corner. You know it's so steep the corner is. So they just go right over. They build several walls, but if you can't see the wall, they cover. You can't retain them.
Whoa.
Yep. I have a stop and look.
So there's a light post. See how far the light post is, people? And jump. They have to replace it. See there? That's how dangerous this hill is. And you see also some truck pads. Well, it's not really dangerous. You just need to take your time. The breeze is so good. Here. So look how Chuck navigate Spur Tree Hill corner, people. Right at Spur Tree Hill, so people. Your natural soup and corn and porridge. And out here it's always full. Whether you come early or late. We are seeing I pack people. Time early, you know, and the place full. And give me my two, make me go on to soup it.
No, man, we pass through, man.
Let me see nice soup pot.
Small or medium?
Medium.
Good.
See nice pot them here wait to show the people. Soup and corn looking lovely. Right as Spur Tree Hill. See boss there. He make all of this happen early in the morning. Don't matter how early in our pass, we can get in a soup and porridge. out here always full of people. Coming out of the porridge. That's not the porridge. What kind of porridge is
It's a peanut porridge.
peanut porridge people? Man, half mass the pot, I not seen the good, but I know I can see in there. Collect my money now, no make me go on. And no meat, no another soup, yeah, no people. Natural soup, no meat. So right as per tree hill, my people. Soup is full. Soup in have and to sell soup and porridge. You need a second. Watch how place full people. I place that full enough and early morning you know people. Soup in have and to sell. Natural peanuts. So this is a fruit stall people. We still spur tree hill. Only for your heart. You always can get your only melon and jelly. So guys, after purchasing that soup, you know, we just have to make our rest stop, and we are at Mid-Island rest stop, and that is in St. Elizabeth. Place is clean, cozy, nice. So this is it. They have a little supermarket. If you forget anything, you can stop and pick it up. So at Mid-Island Plaza, you can also make your reservation for the Knoxford Express, or you can get your pickup right here. So this little plaza it have a lot to offer. Yes, it does. You want to tell me some more about it? Yeah. All right, and they have a parking lot as well. And they have a gas station. There's a supermarket. If you forgot anything, you can pick it up right here. Or if you need a sandwich, you can get your deli sandwich. A lot of you know about deli sandwich. So, and if you're feeling sick, don't worry, they have you covered. There is a pharmacy. Alright, so that's it guys. Give you my channel name. So this is the Knoxford Express people. Yes. So that's the Knoxford pulling up to pick up the people. Alright, Knoxford Express is here to pick up the people, them guys. Alright, and I just took me 2 persons from England, so hopefully I will get 2 more subscribers. Alrighty, that's the Knoxford Express. It have bathroom, everything on it, very comfortable bus people. So guys, I just went out to do a little blogging, and my husband finished his soup already and well cock up in a van. I don't know him love cotton, but he can't cotton in the van. So him will make himself comfortable. Drink soup. How the soup? How was the soup? Great. And this is mine. I'm going to have it now. And
too busy man.
We are on the way. Haven't reached us yet. Wise Falls. Here we come. Just having my soup guys, but at least it get a little time to cool out. Tastes really good.
After a hard morning of blogging.
Natural soup, no meat. I love it.
Whole peanut, cocoa,
natural peanut,
dash yin, yam, no meat.
No meat. And this person is right at Spur Tree, the foot of Spur Tree Hill. I would say.
Alongside the road.
Alongside the road. You can't miss him. So we are passing through Santa Cruz town people, and street is busy buzzing as usual. And you know today is Saturday, so you know soup vendor is all around. Soup vendor, market vendor.
Porridge man.
Yeah, porridge man, soup man, that's a Saturday. You know, we Jamaican love cook soup on a Saturday. As I'm talking about soup, so the soup pot there, people. So the soup there. Soup is in session. Yeah, man, that I go on a Santa Cruz town. So this is the Jamaica Zoo sign. So this is, you know, you turn off right up ahead. So this is also situated in St. Elizabeth. Alright, my peeps.
Grave that?
This is two grave?
Yeah.
Oh, what about this two grave here, you say?
Two lovers and meet their crash.
What you say about the two graves?
Two lovers traveling and they crash. And they bury them there. Before they
Right at the road here. Wow. So we are approaching Alan Bamboo. Where now you have a lot of jelly and raw peanut on both sides. This is our lovely Alan Bamboo. Now babes is going really fast, but I'm loving it. Lots of raw peanut and jellies, people. Stop and drink a jelly, wash off your heart, you know. Alan Bamboo. I am in Alan Bamboo. I make a stop. I don't know once we see jelly. I don't know me can't pass it. I have to drink jelly. So this is jelly and raw peanuts. Alright, I can get a jelly at $2.50. So you know we have to wash off with art, people. Stop and wash off with art. So this is how they deal with jelly down that side here. So nowadays people, you know we drink the jelly, we just turn it out with egg still, but you know it's straw give me pay trouble. Me I let it straw my husband.
I should have one jelly for your yard, you know. Let's see.
People, me not like the jelly sweet. Cause I don't know if it's not sweet, me not say sweet, you know.
My brother had Gina, you know. That's something you inject your jelly and put the sugar in it, you know. Yeah, man.
The jelly sweet, people,
No.
me not like.
Unless it's quite a while me haven't taste such.
It's sweet.
Yeah, man.
It have meat in it too, so I go want mine for yam people. You know me not like for me, so. So you know babes have to get him jelly too. Once me I drink jelly, him drink jelly too. But people may just drink some soup so my belly full up. Cause I don't know what two jelly me normally drink. But one my belly can man, my belly full already, you know. I'm gonna reach my destination. Huh? When we come back at night, man I go gone in by then.
By 5 o'clock.
We are here guys, and that's Blackbird. You're here singing. We are at YS Falls, and let me tell you something about YS Falls. YS Falls is one of Jamaica's finest natural attraction, people. Natural spring pool. Yup, YS Falls is one of Jamaica's most scenic attraction, and there is babes making him way to go and pay. And they have a lot of horses, and that is one. That's a beautiful horse. I don't think I would want to get a ride though. That's Blackbird making that sound, right? Baby is making his way. I'm good. Good morning.
You want to get me in that photo?
I don't have you in there now. I have the floor. So that's Dave making his payment. You have my ID, right? So we are at YS Falls, and guys, This is the most scenic video that I am about to make for you. So stay tuned.
Thank you.
Paying him dues. So if you forgot to carry your bag, or I know you don't have the Rastaman hats and all of that, so you can get them right here on your slippers. This is one of the gift shop that is on the property. Lovely. A lot of Jamaican stuff. And you know, you always want to take back memories to show that you have visited Donga Wiyadia, Donga Jamaica. This is it, people. The gift shop. A lot of masterpieces. Good morning. And as I said, this is one of the gift shop. I like this sign. Bless the house of the Lord. We pray, make it safe by night and by day. I don't know what Jamaica this come from. This little verse. Gift shop, people, the gift shop. And we have a lovely Jamaican made neck pieces as well. And you have the rest stop as usual. Clean. Snack shop is here as well. If you want to order any snack or juice. So these are the buses that take you up to the fall. Creativity, people, creativity. This is a coaster bus. Yes, you're Jamaican creative. We are creative out here. YS Falls, here we come. So the last time we were here, and that's a couple of years back, people, because yeah, it's a long time. This is the one that we have took. This is what carries us up to the falls. This is what carries us up to the falls. And we come back, come see these people. I think we're gonna get one of them new stylish one day. You see how we creative, people? This is what carries us up to the falls. So we are on our way, guys, up to the falls. YS Falls. Scenery, my people, beautiful scenery of Jamaica. And we're having a lovely sunshine. So this is the what? The river. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful scenery of Jamaica. So people swim in this?
No. All of my people swim down here. You have a bridge down by the shop.
So, wow. We are here. We are here. Alright. And this is another gift shop, I presume. Off we go. Our ride is finished right here. So this is the first pool. That is the bus. Just dropped off some tourists. So this is the first pool. Wise Falls has 3 pools. So this is the first one. It is not deep, and for every pool there is a lifeguard. Let me show you how deep this pool is. It is 4 feet. I'm trying to zoom in, let you guys see how it is not deep, because as you can see on the sign it said no diving, right? Alright, there you go, 4 feet. That's how deep it is. The water is crystal clear, pretty clear. So you know, we're going to take a little swim later. How long it is. This is it. That's how long it is. They have a lot of picnic area too. That's what I love about them. A lot of picnic area.
Yeah.
And these are the beach chairs, and this is mainly made from board, pure board. So I'm going up to the other, I'm going to show you the other pool. And as I said, there's a lot of picnic area. The place is nice. Picnic area again, and that's what I love about the place. You can space out, you know, no one don't have to be in your space, you don't have to be in anyone's space. This place is big, spacious, and for every pool it has a changing room situated right beside the pool. So don't worry that you're up at, say for instance you're at pool number 2, you have to come down to pool number 1 to get changed. No, pool number 2 has its own changing room. Spacious, a lot of picnic area. I am moving out now, going to the other pool, heading up to the next pool, going up to the next pool. So that's pool number 1. I am going to pool number 2, and this is another gift shop. Just a little clip, I'll just give you guys a little clip of the gift shop. So if you want anything to purchase, even though we leave the gift shop down the bottom there is this next gift shop on the property with a lot of stuff you can get to purchase. What I love, they have these little signs showing you our lawn are slippery when wet. So you know, if there's a rainfall, you know, you don't approach the lawn, you do not go on the lawn, or you approach it with caution, you know, you be careful. So yeah, I love that. Making my way to the other pool. Property is big, spacious, as I mentioned before, and there is a changing room to every pool. That can hold 40 persons. Sorry about eating area, a lot of space. And this is the menu board, and there's a lot to choose from. There is a lot. And you know the famous one, jerk chicken, you see it up there, some people. Fried chicken, jerk chicken. Ooh. Jerk chicken and burger, there is a lot. And if you're a vegan, I think they will have something different for you. So this is the pool. This is second pool. So I think the third pool is all the way down the bottom. So let's go down there. And as I said, every pool have a lifeguard. And this is the rule of the pool. And the lifeguard is here in live and living color. Oh, the second pool, this is controlled by Mr. Giovanni Wilson. So if you are visiting, you can use the second pool. It can hold 40 persons. And Giovanni Wilson will be on the wheel of steel to protect you.
Yes,
all right?
Don't forget the chef. Don't forget the chef.
I'll video it down there. Alright, so this is where you come to full up on a tumok, nyam on food, as me always say, and get to no belly boss. So this is Mr. Sid. He's going to tell you what they have to offer right here at YS Falls.
Yes, so as you can see, we're at the YS Chill and Grill, right? And we do a variety of stuff. We do mostly grill stuff, but you can also get rice and peas, the fried chicken. You can get jerk chicken, cheeseburger, fries, hot dogs, salad for the healthy people, drinks, anything you want you can get here. Alright, so just come on over to YS Chill and Grill and have some food.
Thank you, sir. That's a wrap. Come full up on no belly. Come nyam on no food. Remember, we say food for nyam, and this is Jamaica. Love you, Sid. Alright. So we are continuing the interview, and this is Joe. Yeah, Joe, introduce yourself to the people them and tell the people them what is it that make people want to come to YS Falls. Why the malls are come back so? Because Jamaica nice, don't?
Yeah, man. Jamaica nice, man, and beautiful. You can just see it's a beautiful environment. And the food here is very good too. Delicious.
Best chef them across the island, though.
So you guys are chef?
Yes.
Also. But look here, a Jamaican, look here. I'm tired to sell Jamaica. I'm tired to sell Jamaica. The ambience alone, yeah man. Alright. You see the 3 chef them people? We don't have to say nothing, I don't see a 3 male chef, you know. Male chef and a woman chef. I don't know when male cook, I don't know say the food turn over.
Yeah.
So later we are come nyam lunch up, yeah. So we are going to tell you, I get back a video, you know. We are going to tell you how it nyam. We are come full with belly and bust up here, so have a laugh, nyam and chat. So these are the kitchen, my people. Alright, so if there's a person that is a vegan that don't eat all of them jerks something here, we're not after them.
Obviously we have some salads, so we have a
Beetroot burger as well.
Yes.
The best what type of burger?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. People like first me hear that, no hear what the chef say.
Try that today.
Beetroot burger.
Beetroot burger.
That one they're supposed to bad.
Almond cheese.
Wow.
Burger bun. Well nice.
I know I'm not vegan, so me.
I'm not vegan, man. I'm enjoy.
You know, say some jerk chicken, me want yam people.
No problem.
I want to bust up my belly with jerk
You can eat
chicken.
the jerk chicken with fried, you can eat it with rice and peas. You want it with bread, you want it with veg, no problem.
And maybe me try the vegan. How to tell? Maybe go enjoy myself and see what I go on first. And these are 3 lovely gentlemen, as you can see, people. May have the camera open. So this is what 4.5 feet. So this one, no life jacket is allowed in this pool. And you see how deep this one is, right? And it can only hold 10 person. Wow. Yes, my people, I am back with another epic video, and I am at YS Falls. And if you can't swim, don't worry about that. As me tell you, lifeguard and everyone of the pool, and they have the jacket as well. So don't worry yourself, man. Come have fun. Jamaica nice, Jamaica airy. And if you tell you son hot and turn up, you see people may sweat, but guess what? I love it. The sunshine. And this is the pool. So we're going. So this is the pool. This is the second pool. So this is a pool. All right, you see this pool over here. So this is lately built. This is about 3 years, right? And it is called the solar pool. Why they call it the solar pool? Because it is warm. The pool is warm. Huh?
Beautiful.
Got you hear him? And as I say, there's lifeguard to every pool. Don't worry. And if you can't swim, the life jackets them, they are here. All right, my peeps. And there is ever
Woman, wicked.
Yeah. So we just want to say you gotta come to Wise Falls. We got lots and lots of attraction here. Water is awesome. So you come and enjoy yourself right here, right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
It's a lot of attraction. So these are two handsome young men. I just meet them.
Oh my God. I thought you didn't see that. I thought you were going to say that in the comments. I'm handsome.
My word slate.
So this is the latest pool, and it is called the. So this and lifeguard is everywhere. Wise Falls. Yes, so there it is, people. The capacity of this pool is 50%. So you know you can't exceed that. It have to have 50%. Once 50% is there, that is it. 50%. And I say they have a lot of picnic area and it is cool. Benches everywhere. I mean, you don't have to mingle with anyone if you don't want to. This is it. Bench is everywhere. And let me zoom in on that. Beautiful. Wow. And for every pool, they have a lot of beach benches, and these are their beach bench. They have even coconut tree on the property, and if full of coconut people. I don't know, I don't know, I love jelly. Don't see it there, full of jelly. Look at the property. It's something to die for. Wow. And this is where we are at. This is our little cabin that we choose. Oh, look at this little chair here. What is this? This is a baby chair, you know. This is a baby chair. A lot of flowers. Yeah. And there is Jose over there waiting on me. He has been waiting for a long time. Oh my. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Because him always hungry. So why they call the pool solar pool? Is because of this here. There's a lot of solar panel. Why they call the pool solar pool? It is because of these solar panel here. They have a lot of solar panel. So that pool is warm, people. So that's the warm pool, the solar pool. Yeah. What was that? Hungry. Hungry. So this is our lunch for today, and I am trying jerk beetroot burger. So I'm trying this for the first time, peeps. So I will tell you how it tastes. It do comes with fries if you're asking, but I don't eat fries. I'm not a person who, unless you think there, let's use the air fryer where you don't have to use any oil. That is the only way I want to eat the fries. So yes, it do come with fries, but I didn't take any. So let's hope I enjoy that. And that's what my husband is having. Jamaican authentic jerk chicken and rice and peas.
Stick to the basic.
Stick to the basic. And we are at Wise Falls, and this is our lunch for today. I soon gonna purchase my juice though, because I don't drink same time when I eat, so my juice has to purchase after. But let's try this burger thing, jerk.
And this is the only time I am permitted to drink soda. Otherwise, my wife don't allow me to drink soda.
That's not true. He's his one big man. Him do him want the people.
This is the ultimate test, my people.
Yeah.
Something new, something different. better. Tastes good kind more and easier than the food.
The bread is soft and tastes good.
What make it? What is the meat? Chicken?
Beetroot.
Beef?
Beetroot.
Beetroot
So this
with
is a
something.
jerk beetroot burger.
Okay.
And this tastes really good, people. And we're at Wise Falls. So whenever time you come down, you can definitely try this. If you are a vegan, if you don't eat meat, I'm really not a vegan. I just want to try it because someone has recommended, and it really tastes good. So this is what left of my beetroot jerk burger. I don't know about my husband and him food people, but I can tell you my burger was really good and I enjoyed it, but I can't say for him and his jerk. But as for the burger, you guys need to try it. Once you are at Wise Falls, I want to try something new, no? Try something new. This is something new that I just tried, no? But my husband, him loves stick to the regular. I am not that person. I like to try something new. I like to do something new. I honestly, when I drink Sprite, I drink soda, when I'm not to drink.
You tell me I can have it?
Me? So I almost done have the strawberry. I just had my burger and I'm having some strawberry. Strawberry, them really sweet, people. Okay, I struggle. Now struggle, I'm done. Only one never left for you. See the one here, big people? I was about to left 3 strawberries. So I left 2 for it. I want to know if he's not a fruit lover like me.
I'm telling you, I left 3 biggest ones. And here she say, no. So that's when you come on to fruits, this is how she treat me. That's why somebody tell me no bother one none.
So no left none? Don't left none?
So some my time. If I say this time,
So don't left none?
some my time.
Talk your mind, no somebody not talk for you.
Some
Don't
of
left
the time.
none?
Some of the time. So
I
like she
never left
don't,
more than 3 for you.
So
I'm
like
not gonna
she-
live. Alright, may I leave my conscience. May I have a conscience?
some of the time now, so like she don't want left now, not true.
Alright.
Read between the line.
Alright, may I have a conscience? And this was a full pack and
Where
I start eating it.
Where you have?
Conscience.
Where you have?
Conscience.
Daddy.
So I'm going to leave 5 for him, or 6. May I leave 6 may I leave for him?
Watch and see me people. Stay tuned.
So persons leaving, I guess they come early. This place is busy, people, buzzing. And so you have the bus leaving and person leaving, so you have person coming. Trust me. Busy people, very busy. So there's a bus arrive. Behind us you see the shopping area right there. And so inside there, if you want to rent lockers, you can get it to rent inside. Behind it, you can also find a restaurant and a bar. There is also the 2 warm pools that I told you earlier on about. And that's the one I would encourage you to use last. If you think you get cold and you want to get warm again, you can use that last, okay? Over here is the gazebo. This is where we are going to board. I hope we'll get the jeepney, the one that just left a while ago. That's the one I want to get a ride on, yeah? To try, okay? So we'll be boarding to over here. All right, across here we do have the natural pool. You can go, that's okay. You can get what? 21 mineral soak up in your body from there. All right, we have a trail over on this side. The trail takes you to the falls. As I said, it's a nature walk. There are always guides over there just the same to assist you. They're in their uniform, and so you'll see them and you can access them too. All right, no problem. Remember, we're a family, and if you want to leave anything, I'm over there. You can leave anything. If you want to with other persons to help along, and the guides are very good. They're very nice.
So they will assist you just the same. So it's up to you what you want to do. Last but not least, we also have over on this side the area that you change and also the toilet.
The changing
Earlier I told
room.
you that we're going to be having lunch here. Yes, we are going to. They're going to take the lunch across to us. So I'm just sitting over there with it. So do not waste any time. Alright, so you go ahead and access. Until you come back, I think the lunch will be here. Alright? So it's what time did I say? 12:30, 1:30, 12:30, 1:30. That would be 1 hour. 2 hours, the 2:30. So we say 2:45.
Okay guys, so this is welcome to a little bit of paradise. Yeah, have an adventure, or you can just come relax, people. Just come relax. Alright, so here you have a map, right?
Yes.
You want to demonstrate the map?
I basically represent right here. And this
Represent
is
the right there.
right here. And as you said, they have a trading post over there. Natural pool is along that side. You go up that top, you find all the swimming holes. Natural river, cool and warm. It's very beautiful.
And they have zip line. You want to do the zip line? Yes, you can.
They used to have horseback ride. I don't know if they still have it, but you can ride the horseback and you have a wonderful time.
Alright.
River tubing also. All of that's still in progress.
Alright. So here is a lot of adventures, guys. There's a lot of things to do. Around this side you have We Care.
A composing toilet to solar panel water pump.
So over here we have the what? Why do the hummingbirds hum?
Now before we reach there, so maybe they have solar panel water pump. That means they have a warm pool.
Yeah, they have a warm, yes.
If the water is too cold for you in certain pool, you can just go to that warm pool and it will be warm water.
Right.
Wonderful.
That is great. And if you don't like cold water, that pool is definitely for you. Alright.
Just a bit of information. Hummingbird is our national bird. And hummingbird you will only find in Jamaica. Nowhere else in the world you will find hummingbird. Not only that, we have different species of hummingbird.
Right. And
Yeah.
these are the different species. And then over here we have the guango tree.
Which is one of the largest trees in the world. A tree that lives for many years and it provides a lot of shades. Yeah.
And this tree was brought from Africa. There it is, my people.
But you know what's surprising and strike out to me? The mongoose.
Alright, so we have the mongoose down here.
Yeah.
What about the mongoose?
The mongoose was brought from India to Jamaica to help the farmers in the cane field to prevent them from getting snake bit. The mongoose would kill the snake. Wow. Yeah.
And this is
That's your feeling, that's your up your alley. Well, I guess it's only grow in they call it like a
water.
It grows on tree, it grows on its own. It's a form of flowers, but it binds itself to a tree and that's where it grows.
Okay. So yeah, my people, and the composing toilet. I mean, there's a lot to do, there's a lot to see.
They call it composing toilet. I give that simple name, the recycling toilet. This one does not use a pit or anything. I use something like a suction and take it to the earth and then it give back to the tree and to the earth itself.
Alright, and so we move along, we're going around to this side here.
Which tells us about the hidden treasure in Wyatt's Fall. That tree you're looking at right there, it is the guango tree. And you see that bird, beautiful, spread out his wing? That's called a parrot. Yeah, that bird can sing. And so we chat a lot, make a lot of noise. So when a person talk too much, they say, oh, you chat so much, I chat like parrot. That's the bird they're referring to. The other bird now is a blackbird, otherwise known as a raven. Yeah, that was the bird who take the meat to Elijah, I think. Yeah. Then now you have the...
That's when you name your food, them just come pick it out.
Yeah, they pick food. There's a mongoose right down there.
And there's a mongoose.
Right. And there's a the doctor bird.
And you have the yellow bird.
Yeah.
The yellow parrot.
And you have the robin redbreast right there.
Where's the robin red? So there's the robin redbreast.
So this is Jamaica hidden treasure. Here we have a lot of natural things just natural.
Oh, this is a hidden gem by itself, my people. So over here now, I see this sign that said, do not touch the berries.
Oh, these berries are harmful to the natural skin. So if
Oh.
you touch it and it catches skin,
I want to see some berries to show to
you.
them. Here's the berries, guys. So these are the berries that they say you are not to touch. These are the berries. Hope you're getting a clear view of the berries, and the tree is full. The tree full of them, people. The tree full of them. Let me zoom in, see if I can zoom up a little more. You saw the zip line just a while ago? This is the closest berries to us that you can see. It is on the low limb, but there's a lot up in the tree though, people, and this is the tree.
This is different stage.
So this is when it just bloom.
That is when it just bloom, right here.
Also, that one is when it just bloom.
This one is young, and this one is young.
This one.
Pushing out.
This one is what?
From bloom to young stage, them to green, them to ripe around there.
Then to green.
Yeah. Then to the ripe where you just showed them.
And then to the ripe ones. Yeah, I have some ripe on here so they can see this one. So yeah, this is it, my people. And as I said, picnic for here is, I would recommend. And there's a lovely cat, Fluffy. Meow. 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 That's a beautiful cat.
Do not catch no rat.
So that's Babes coming, behaving as if he's sexy. Wanna watch him, people? Watch him!
Alright, jump. This is the island tourists. Want to show a big tour to look at too. And if you're not going to water today. Okay.
So this is where you come to pay for the zip line, right here.
So it's a 5-line zip line tour. Oh yeah.
So guys, this is where you book your zip line tour, and we have the lovely lady Portia here who is going to explain to us the do's and the don't when you are booking the zip line tour. So over to you, my lady.
Hi guys. Alright, so yes, my name is Portia. This is the zipline tour in Wales. We're operated by Chopper Caribbean Adventures. Our zipline offers 5 ziplines. Alright. On that tour we have a sender and a receiver. Both persons will give you instructions. You must follow these instructions. And this is to eliminate any accidents and incidents from happening. Alright. Maximum tour size is 12 persons. Minimum is 1 person. There's a maximum weight limit of 265 pounds as well. Once you're within that range, you're good to go. There is also one section that says that if for ladies, if you're pregnant, if you're immobile for any reason, you cannot participate. The reason is there are steps that you climb. You must be able to climb these steps. Alright, so that's basically it. The rest is up to the guides when you go to get your gear. Alright?
Thank you, Portia. Alright, and this was this explained real clearly, guys. There's no if nor but. There's no question to ask. She explained everything.
So we're just waiting on you guys.
Exactly. And then they have the waiver to sign to.
Yes, waivers to sign. But once they come and read this waiver, once they agree, then that's when you sign and you make your payments.
Alrighty, thank you. I appreciate it. And these are the people waiting to go on the zip line. All right.
Oh, zip line.
I guess that's up where. So guys, so this is where you come and get your gears after you have paid and you want to do the zip line. So this is your hat and everything. And that's something that where them drape you up with. What you call that something there, sir?
Harness.
What is the name of it?
Harness.
Harness. And people, would you believe it? There's a tree, a lovely shady tree. This is
Guango tree.
guango tree. This is the guango tree, my people. You see how it big?
And over 100 years.
What? My word. Over 100 years. Wow. So the place is lovely, nice and cool, as I tell you people. So I'm going chad on up the falls right now. So this is the harness. This is it, my people. And this them drape you up with. You know, like when police drape up, man, and you see your pants drape up. So it look, but no worries, it's all good. It's to keep you safe, right? And this is the helmet, as I showed you before. So that's just basically it. What is that? Are you being Samson? Are you Samson? Which one? Oh. So you're not the lion? Oh, you're He-Man. So people can hear the roaring of the river. Going up to the fall. And it's all the way up. Here. Going to the fall, my people. We are going to the fall. So come along. So we are going up, and there's a lot of steps to go up to the fall. Up. And Basil already there waiting to use the rope. So we are on top of the fall. And we are at the fall, but people, you can go further. You can go a lot more. So these are the life jackets that we would. These are the life jackets. Come. Going down. What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Myers. I am. You're going on the rope?
Mana kau ni?
Wait, no. You're catching my jumper.
Jumpa. Jom air dia. Okay, cik.
So that's the zip line happening. Yeah.
Jump, baby.
Make it she have a jump.
zip lining. A lot of activity, people. Then the zip line. That's the zip line. That's the zip line. So the place is active, busy, buzzing. The place is wonderful. People, YS Falls. Zip line going on while people jumping off the rope. Whoa. Whoa. Down. No man, if you're not do that. So we are leaving YS Falls right about now. Heading out to my people. Back home. See home. Say Irish. Say Irish. Me stop at this place here. From when I see the part them, I don't know a real Jamaican this. I mean, I talk to Miss Angela and she cook. And I see the whole heap of pot people. She cook everything where on yam she cook it. You see the whole heap of pot them. So Miss Angela, you want to tell them where you cook. Can you cook a variety of things?
Okay. First we do like peanut porridge, honey corn, cow skin with red beans for soup. We have yam banana dumpling dashing natural Jamaican food. Then we have cow skin and bean, cow head and bean, tripe and bean. We have general fried chicken, brown stew chicken, again saltfish and tomato and saltfish in case you don't eat again.
Oh, it's a lot
And
of pot.
general rice and peas on the side.
I have white
With your
rice.
vegetable.
I have white rice too.
Yes, with your vegetables.
So me now gonna make you open all of the pot them show you know, cause me no want to no mouth run water about people. And this is a lot of pot. And Miss Angela a go on with herself. And it's right after you coming from YS Falls, right in a St. Elizabeth here. As you pass it to go YS Falls, as you pass it and you make the right turn. And when you're coming from YS Falls, as you come out and you look down at she that you see on the left hand. So she now go open all of the pot because too much pot my people. Make sure the back up at the top, come down. So which one they love pork? You want to show them in the pork pot you have pork? Pork and bean.
And just a serving left.
Alright, just one serving. See the people? That done. So see it there? It's a lot of pot my people. From when I see this in Jamaica this don't. Alright. And see the wood there where she used to cook them. And them type of wood there. Them wood they cook food sweet, you know. See the Jamaican log with them people. Them wood here cook food sweet. And them bun cold good. Me a Jamaican, me know me at about. But me didn't want can. Me stop for can. But can't finish. And people are stuff them finish from early. Me not lie you. Cause
most of the things them finish. Me did want corn, but she never do no corn today because she said corn rain just a start fall, so she no start have no corn no. But my people are only per pot and only per menu, only per things, only per things. Alright, Miss Angela, so big up yourself. So you know, baby want something in a theme belly, so see him there. Stop at Ruby's Jerk Center. Getting his favorite. Now for the true tester. Cool? Put no feet cool. Alright people, whole heap of fruits here. And we have some lovely honey. Just buy a macla honey. And I love the melon there too, you see? Yellow melon. Yeah, my people, I just get my buckler honey to make me tea. When you see me use make me tea every morning for my live, just stop at the roadside and get it. It's jelly. Whole heap of fruits right on the roadside, my people.